Hey everyone, Metaverse Philosopher here again. Today we're going to be doing an Apple Vision Pro app review for Sky Guide. Alright, welcome to Sky Guide. Please choose time and scene for your immersive stargazing. Oh, cool. Yeah, let's do something on the stargazing in the ocean side at dusk. Oh, wow. Look, a giraffe. Whoa, a Greek constellation character. Nice. So it looks like there's different features that you can choose here. What is this? Oh, laser. You can pinch a laser. Alright, let's see this. Yep. Whoa. That's cool. Look at that. Nice. I like this ocean view. Oh, wow. Look at that. Is that Caninus Cerberus? Dogs? Nice. This is pretty cool. Let's see what other features they got. What is this? Binoculars. Oh, you can use two-hand zoom gesture to adjust magnification or open and close. Whoa. Wow, this is cool. It's so beautiful when you look up at the night sky in like a really non-polluted area. This is awesome. Okay, what about this? Filters. Okay, looks like these are different types of waves that you can actually see the stars more clearly. You guys remember learning about this in science, like the different amplitude of waves, right? It's like going up and down. Nice. Okay. So you can choose meteorites. No way. You can. What about intense storm? What does this do? Whoa. You can look at a meteor shower. A dragon in the air. What's the aurora? Whoa. That's really cool. The water is actually pretty decently well done too. It's not bad. Wow, so you can see a lot of different features that you can test around here. Alright, let's turn the aurora back off. Let's do realistic. Cool. Alright, let's choose from the map. This is interesting. Alright, let's take a look at the mountains now. Nice. Oh, you can whoa, you can actually grab it. What? That's so cool. Cassiopeia, the seated queen. One of the oldest constellations. No way. Alright, let's try to grab one that shows up again. Wow, that's cool. Draco, the dragon, the 8th largest constellation in the sky. That's awesome. Alright, let's try to go to the pitch black mode actually. Let's go to the city this time at night. Whoa, okay, the city is pretty well done. Is this Canada? Or is that Seattle? No way. Ursa Major, the 3rd largest constellation. I should make a video about astrology sometime, gang. I love astrology. I'm not sure like how real it is, but it's very interesting to like think about how the celestial history impacts your life and how much of things are like predestined. I'm really into like multiverse theory and, different time travel and dimensions and stuff too. So I do think that it goes hand in hand with a lot of those kind of theories. This is pretty cool. It looks like they have like a skybox of the city they set up, and they have like a 3D like virtual environment here. I like how you can like point using the laser pointer. That's cool. Wow, that's awesome. Wow, it looks like there's like a premium feature where you can use different types of laser pointers. Wow, that's so cool. Draco the dragon. No way. That's awesome. It's a pretty cool app, fam. I feel like it's very immersive. I feel like I'm in like the night of a urban area right now, even though it's like the middle of the day. Very cool. All right, the last thing I want to check out is the now. So what happens if you do now? Let's go back to the ocean again. Oh, because it's the day, it's like more lit up. That's so cool. Ursa Minor. Really cool. Hercules. That was such a good movie back in the day. Wow. Actually, my favorite view, I think, is the city view. I don't know why. Just seems really cool. Being on like a rooftop at night. I'm sure a lot of you guys have experienced stuff like this, looking up at the stars. I always love looking up at the stars because they make you feel like you're so insignificant, in like a cool way. Like in the universe and the destiny of all these things that have happened over thousands, 10,000s, millions of years. You're one piece of the puzzle. A vast puzzle that everybody's a piece of in the universe. This is really cool. And I like how they make it interactive like this. Wow. Alright, y'all. I think you should definitely check this app out. It's a great way to view constellations and to stargaze in a virtual environment. And, probably not a lot of people have access to seeing things like this. So I think, it's a great way for people just to check out what's in the sky and really reflect. All right. Thanks so much, y'all, and I'll catch y'all next time.